50 common English mistakes beginners make with corrections. 1. Grammar mistakes. He didn't went to school. He didn't go to school. She doesn't knows the answer. She doesn't know the answer. If I will see him, I will tell him. If I see him, I will tell him. He can to swim. He can swim. I have seen her yesterday. I saw her yesterday. 2. Preposition mistakes. I am good in English. I am good at English. She is married with John. She is married to John. They are waiting since 2 hours. They have been waiting for 2 hours. He is afraid from dogs. He is afraid of dogs. I am interested for this topic. I am interested in this topic. 3. Article mistakes. I bought a new furniture. I bought new furniture. She has a great news. She has great news. She wants to be a doctor in the future. She wants to be a doctor in the future. This is an university. This is a university. We should take an action. We should take action. 4. Singular and plural mistakes. She gave me many advices. She gave me much advice. The sceneries here are beautiful. The scenery here is beautiful. I have 2 brother-in-laws. I have 2 brothers-in-law. These informations are important. This information is important. There are many persons in the room. There are many people in the room. 5. Word order mistakes. I don't know what does he want. I don't know what he wants. Do you know where is the bank? Do you know where the bank is? Tell me where does she live? Tell me where she lives. I asked him where was he going. I asked him where he was going. Do you know what time is it? Do you know what time it is? 6. Misused verb forms. I am liking this movie. I like this movie. He doesn't has a brother. He doesn't have a brother. She is having 3 sisters. She has 3 sisters. They are knowing the answer. They know the answer. I am understanding your point. I understand your point. 7. Common vocabulary mistakes. I am listening music now. I am listening to music now. Open the light, please. Turn on the light, please. The news are interesting. The news is interesting. I prefer tea than coffee. I prefer tea to coffee. I need some informations. I need some information. 8. Time expression mistakes. Yesterday night, we watched a movie. Last night we watched a movie. I met him before 2 weeks. I met him 2 weeks ago. She came in the morning of Monday. She came on Monday morning. He left from the office at 6 p.m. He left the office at 6 p.m. I was born in 2000 January. I was born in January 2000. 9. Conditional mistakes. If he will come, I will be happy. If he comes, I will be happy. If I was you, I will buy that car. If I were you, I would buy that car. If she studied harder, she will pass. If she studied harder, she would pass. If you would tell me earlier, I would help you. If you had told me earlier, I would have helped you. If it will rain, we won't go out. If it rains, we won't go out. Common spelling mistakes. They're going to the park. They're going to the park. I lose my keys often. I lose my keys often. You're the best teacher. You're the best teacher. She has a lot of books. She has a lot of books. I received your email. I received your email.